Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use 000webhost for web hosting. First, navigate to the 000webhost website and locate the Sign Up option. You will need to enter your email address and create a secure password. After submitting your details, check your inbox for a verification email. Clicking the link in this email will activate your free hosting account, allowing you to proceed with setting up your website. Once your account is active, log in to the 000webhost control panel. Here, you will find an option to create a new website. You'll be prompted to choose a name for your site, which will form part of your free domain. You can also set an optional password for your website, adding an extra layer of security. This step is crucial for establishing your online presence. With your website created, the next step is to upload your content. From your control panel, open the File Manager. This tool allows you to manage all the files on your hosting space. Locate the public HTML directory. This is where all your website files should reside. You can easily upload your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and image files directly into this folder, making your site accessible. Congratulations, your website is now live and ready for visitors. You can access it using the URL provided by 000webhost. The control panel offers various tools for ongoing management, including database administration for dynamic sites and options for parking custom domains. Remember to explore other features like free SSL certificates and website builders to enhance your site's functionality and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.